welcome. Before we begin, take a moment to get comfortable, either seated or lying down, in a place where you won't be disturbed. This guided hypnosis and meditation is designed to help you create a powerful mental tool, a memory activation button that you can use anytime you need clear recall and focus during your NCLEX exam. For the best experience, I recommend wearing headphones so you can fully immerse yourself in the journey. This session will guide you into a relaxed, receptive state, helping you build confidence and strengthen your memory. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position and take a deep, slow breath. As you inhale, imagine a sense of calm entering your body. As you exhale, release any tension, distraction, or thoughts that no longer serve you. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming quieter. Now, in your mind's eye, see yourself standing at the top of a gentle staircase that will guide you into deeper relaxation. Each step you take will bring you closer to a state of calm and ease. Let's begin descending one step at a time. With each number, take a slow, deep breath and feel yourself sink deeper. 10. Feel the relaxation beginning to flow through your body. 9. With every breath, feel your mind grow quieter, releasing any lingering tension. 8. Your body becomes heavier, more at ease. 7. Descending deeper, embracing this calm. 6. Let go of any remaining thoughts. You're becoming more relaxed. 5. Feeling light and completely at peace. 4. Calmness washing over you like a gentle wave. 3. You go deeper and deeper. 2. Descending deeper, feeling safe and secure. 1. Now you're in a peaceful state of deep relaxation. Now imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, easing away any remaining tension. This light is here to guide you, bringing clarity and calmness to your mind. Breathe in its warmth, feeling your mind become more open, receptive, and focused. Each breath takes you further into this state of pure tranquility. While you're in this deeply relaxed state, I'd like you to create an imaginary memory button that will help you access your knowledge whenever you need it. This button is a direct link to all the information you've studied, ready to be recalled during your exam. Picture this button as a small circle of light. It might be a color that feels right for you, perhaps a calming blue or a golden glow that brings warmth and clarity. Imagine placing this button somewhere on your body where it feels natural and accessible. It could be on your hand, your temple, or as a light deep within your mind. This memory button is your own, and every time you imagine pressing or tapping it, you'll feel knowledge flow to you in a clear, organized way. Visualize it now, seeing how this button glows and connects to all the information you need. Each time you activate it, your mind will sharpen, your confidence will grow, and the answers you seek will come to you with ease and clarity. Now let's practice using this memory button. Visualize yourself sitting in the exam room, facing a challenging question. You feel a moment of nervousness, but you remember that you have this memory button, your gateway to confidence and clarity. In your mind, place your hand over the button, or simply visualize pressing it gently. As you activate this button, feel a wave of calm and focus filling your mind. The answers you need begin to flow naturally, coming to you with complete ease. Each time you press or imagine this button, your focus sharpens, your memory strengthens, and your understanding deepens. Practice it again now, feeling the confidence grow with each press of your memory button. Your memory button is now installed in your mind, ready to help you whenever you need it. Each time you activate it, your mind will respond with calm, clarity, and focus, allowing your knowledge to surface effortlessly. Now I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll feel more awake, clear-headed, and confident, fully prepared to face your exams. Let's begin. 1. Feel your mind and body balanced and strong. 2. Calmness fills every breath. You feel grounded. 3. Confidence and clarity are rising within you. 4. Your mind feels sharp, alert, and ready. 5. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, renewed, and fully prepared for success. Take a moment to stretch or move as you return to the present, carrying with you the calm, focus, and readiness you've cultivated. Thank you for listening and for joining this session. I hope you found a sense of focus and ease that you can carry with you. Remember, the more you practice, the stronger this memory activation button becomes. I encourage you to listen to this meditation each day to deepen your connection with this mental tool and to strengthen your confidence. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing for more guided sessions and tools to support your journey to success.